Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You may be wondering why I am putting my hair up in the top like this. I am going to try to do a head wrap that I've seen in the head wrap group that I am now a part of. But before I do that, let me thank you subscribers for subscribing to my channel. I am just happy to have you be a part of the Jean G family. I am happy to have you in the Jean G family. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking, sharing, and especially commenting on my videos. I love the interaction. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I don't know what you're waiting on, because I'm waiting on you to join this family. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you will know when I upload another video. Now, why am I here this morning? Because I have joined a Facebook group, Head Wrap, and I have been learning how to do more head wraps, and so that's why this bun is up here for height. Now I hope I can get this head wrap done correctly. The video that I watched was by someone, her name is Yvette, and I'll put her name right here when I can't remember what her last name is. Here we go. I'm going to use this scarf. Notice that this scarf has 1, 2, 4 colors, and I hope that I can wrap my hair so that I will be able to see those 4 colors. And I'm trying to remember exactly what she did. I should have practiced before I got started. One of the videos, let's see, she did something like this. And this was her knot, because I think she was using an infinity scarf. And you see that hair that's sticking out there? I'm gonna leave it there for cuteness. Now let's see if I can remember what she did. And right now I can't, but I know that this was like the base of what she did. So I'm gonna come back around and I'm gonna do that same knot in the back. And I'm coming around here because I realized that I'm building on what she did. And right now, because I'm in this mirror trying to demonstrate for you, I really can't remember what she did. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this. I'm gonna come back and fix that later. I am going to do another one of these twisted knots like this, pull it around, and then I'm going to start tucking, because I realize that that can work. And that's what I've learned as a result of watching some of the tutorials in that group, is that what you might start out with, you may not end up with. I'm just trying to make this top knot bun not so pointed on the top of my head. And I am going to take this piece of hair, I'm going to let it hang right here. And I'm going to turn around and see what I have. And this is the wrap that I'm wearing today. Because I need to go outside and do some things in my yard, and I do not want anything getting into my hair. Have a great day. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. And I love my rap sisters as well. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He keeps blessing me over and over and over again, giving me people that makes a difference in my life. Have a great day.